Very good evening, all. This is Praveen Kumar from Zebu and Wealth Management Private Limited, and this session is about the market closing analysis, how the market got closed, and what are the things we have discussed in the morning, the support level and the resistance level, and how would the market would be. We have discussed in the morning whether that thing have happened today. We are going to discuss this thing, and also about the global market and what are the newses and what are the companies that come under that quarterly results. This is the thing we are going to discuss in this session. First of all, in the morning session, we have told that we had a little bit of that is 8 points of flat gap up opening we have seen in Nifty future, and also if you see in Bank Nifty, we have seen around 30 points of flat opening, positive opening in Bank Nifty future we have seen in the morning. But at the time, what I have told that some profit booking session can be happen because we can have the Nifty future towards the level of 18,370 can happen. I have told, and also for Bank Nifty future we can have the session towards 42,100 or 41,900 can be a possible movement. I have told you in the morning, but what the thing happened actually, what we have expected and what the thing happened, but we have expected some profit booking session, but the market, whenever the market opened from 9:15 to 10:30, the market traded to the downside. So after 10:30, the market was on a consolidated move till 1 o'clock period. So after 1 o'clock, we had a moment towards the upside. After 2 to 30 likewise, then we had a moment towards the downside. So after this closing itself, we see we had an flat closing movement in Nifty and Bank Nifty we have seen, because that would be the Nifty spot closed around 20 point minus and Bank Nifty spot has closed around 60 points of minus. Whether this would be a bearish indication or a bullish indication, if you ask me, yes, I am expecting some bullish move, because if you see about the global market, that is Asian markets, about the Asian market, maximum of markets were closed in a positive way. If you see about the Hang Seng was closed on 1.70% positive, and Nikkei was closed on minus 1.06% positive, and Straits Time is minus, that is positive of 1.01%. But if we see about the SGX Nifty till now it is trading on a flat way, that is a 58 points of minus towards 0.32% minus. So our market after that Asian market closing, that European market, if you see European markets are all trading on a positive way. So if today evening the US market is opening on a positive and closing on a positive way, and European market also closed on a positive way, means then tomorrow we can expect the Asian market to be open on a positive way. But our market of Nifty or Bank Nifty, I am expecting some gap up moment. I am expecting to that's a level of again 18,430 level can be a move possible move. I am expecting in gap up moment in Nifty. The same wise Bank Nifty, if you see, I am expecting Bank Nifty towards a gap up moment. I am expecting towards the level of 42,300 level can be a possible one for Bank Nifty if the global cues are all supported. But today, what I am expecting is that today it was closed near to that support level, that is 18,372. A support was there. I have told you in the morning it was broken, and it went low towards that 18,362 level, but it was closed on 18,370 to 71 likewise. So it was on the support level only. And if you take Bank Nifty future, Bank Nifty future also, it was closed on a support way towards 42,170 or 140 level. 42,140 level, 170 level as a support is there, but today it was closed around 42,200 level it was closed. So I am considering this market is taking a support near today's level closing, and it can be moved towards the bullish level. I am expecting level. Okay, the Nifty today's high is at 18,455 and low is around 18,362 level. So it is a game of support and resistance consultation move level. I am seeing the market. If you see about the Bank Nifty also the same. Whatever the morning opening at 42,325, from there it went high to the level of 42,371, and low made is 42,100 level at 10:30 itself. After 10:30, we had a consolidated move in Bank Nifty towards 42,200 220 level, towards 42,100 level is the move from 10:30 to 12:45 to 1 o'clock. At 12:45, if you see about the 15 minutes candle, a hammer pattern was formed. After the hammer pattern, the market to take the diversion towards the upside move till the level of 42,360 level also. So this is the move. After 2:30, we had a move towards the bearish side towards 42,200 level. So some sort of upside and downside movement we have seen in Nifty and Bank Nifty. But if you see compared with Nifty and Bank Nifty towards it was closed on a flat mode. Whatever Nifty was closed, the same way the Bank Nifty was also closed. So this is the way Nifty and Bank Nifty closed. Some of the news for our market today is that we are told in the morning about the India's forex reserves and inflation expectation and IIP data also. But after that, we have discussed about something quarterly results. Some of the companies are coming up under quarterly results. Likewise, in that positive results have given. Some of the companies are that Strides Pharma and KNR Constructions, then Rosal India, then Prime Focus, Prakash Pipes, Bharat Bijli, then AIA Engineering, About India, then Panama Petrochemicals, then Bharat Forge, then Gensol Engineering, and Jyoti Labs, then Godrej Industries. Likewise, these are the companies are coming up with a positive results, and some of the companies are coming up with a negative results also for today. It is that Varroc Engineering, then Bodal Chemicals, then Kaveri Seeds, then BCL, Grasim, then Suprajit Engineering, then DCM Sriram, Lux Industries, High Tech Pipes, and RPSG. So these are the companies are coming up with that negative results today. And some of the news are that Mega Money Organics wins an order worth of 812 crores. We are seeing, and Rama Steel Tubes Company board meet to consider bonus issue on November 18th. This is for the bonus issue of board meet conducting. And India's wholesale price index, that is WPI, actually is 8.39% now versus 10.70% previous thing. But the estimated is that 8.6%. So this is of India's wholesale price index detail. Then about sector-wise movement, how the sector-wise movement was there for today is that Nifty Bank was closed on 0.14% minus, and Nifty Auto is on 0.23% positive. Then the financial services are minus 0.19%. Then Nifty Financial, that is FMCG, on minus 1.35%. But some of the sectors are on a positive closing. We have seen Nifty IT was closed on a 0.87% positive, and Nifty Metal on 1.73% positive. Then Pharma on 0.03% positive. These are the sector-wise movement we are seeing. But top gainers and top losers in Nifty for today's movement is that Hindalco 5.76% positive closing we have seen, and Apollo Hospital 2.83% positive, then Tata Motors 2.36% positive, then Grasim 2.19%, and Power Grid 1.39% positive. These are the top gainers of today's movement in Nifty. And top losers of today's movement is that Dr. Reddy minus 3.78%, Coal India minus 2.51% closing, and ITC minus 2.50% closing, Hindustan Lever minus 1.80%, and SBAN minus 1.46% closing we have seen. These are the top losers of today's trading. Okay, coming to the point of options movement, how the options movement was that today. If you see, we have seen double side movement in futures movement and spot movement. We have seen from morning opening till 10:30, we have found the market of downside. After 10:30 till 12:45 to 1 o'clock, we found the market on a consolidated way. After 1:30 1 o'clock, the market bounced back to the upper level, and after 2:30 level, the market broke and down to coming to the downside also. So this kind of movement, how the call option movement and how the put option movement, I will tell you now. That is of Nifty 18,400 put option. Nifty 18,400 put option morning open is at 104.95. In that first 15 minutes candle itself, it broken and went up to the high level of 121. After that, at 10:30, 10:15 level, it made high towards 126 level from the low of 92. So nearly 30 points of moved upside from the low towards the 126 high within 10:30 itself. So after 10:30, the consolidated move makes the premium to be decayed towards a level of 85.45, the low made at 130. After 130, then bounce back to the higher level towards 133.5 high, nearly 50 points have moved upside. So double opportunity was there in 18,400 put option Nifty today. So one is that 30 points to 30 points movement in the morning till 10:30. After 1:30, we found out another movement towards 50 points opportunity was there in 18,400 put option. Similarly, if you see 18,400 call option also, 18,400 call, if you see, it was open on 194, it was open and went high to the level of 105.4 to the low 76. From 105, the low made till the end is 52.7, nearly 50, that is downside movement of 50 points to 52 points have more downside we are seeing in 18,400 call option. If the option writer is confident on this strike, they would have shot the market at 105 and they would have covered at 52.7 or 55 even also. Nearly 50 points up, they can make a proper profit opportunity in 18,400 call option in today's movement. If you see about the Bank Nifty also, Bank Nifty the same thing. But if you see Bank Nifty put option, I will show you 42,300 put option. I will tell you. Bank Nifty 42,300 put option. Morning open is at 334. The low made is 320, and first 15 minutes candle the high is 406. So after 406 at 10:30 to 10:45 level, it made towards the level of 438. From the opening of 334, 438, nearly 100 points of moved upside from the opening 9:15 to 10:30 level. So after that, the consolidated move make the premium to be decay and towards the level of low at 282. So from 282, after 1:30 to 2 o'clock, it made high towards the level of 369, nearly 80 points moved upside. 42,300 put option. Similarly, if you see 42,000 call option also, morning opening is at 387 is the opening. After 387, it made low towards 326.2 and high towards 446 in first 15 minutes candle itself. After that, it made low at 12 o'clock at 267 is the low made. So after 12 o'clock, it made towards the upper side movement towards the level of 409, nearly 140 points moved from lower level to the that is 2 o'clock level. It's around 409. So this kind of great opportunity was there in option segment, but only thing is that we need to enter into the right time at the right strike at the right opportunity. So we need to identify the trend before entering into the market. So whatever the levels we have discussed, the same thing you can enter, but before entering into the trade, you need to discuss with your investment advisor or your wealth manager. Then you can enter into the trade, or else you can comment on a comment box. We will be reverting on it. And I think this session will be useful for you. So thank you for watching this session. Have a great day. Thank you.